Everybody, it's James. Just wanted to talk to you about video. In 2016, I started using video a lot, and I learned something from a gal named Kate McShay, who's now Vice President of Marketing with Elite Marketing Pro. And what I learned from her really transformed our business. She taught me the value of doing little short videos that I could advertise. But basically that, you wanted to do videos and do webinars. So I built a business, and our business has been largely based on that for a couple of years, doing videos that provide value to people, and then turning that value into sending people to a lead capture page, and then that lead capture page doing follow-up, and then inviting all those people to webinars. And that's really a successful model. It's been a super successful model, and it continues to still be a successful model. But it's not all what it has traditionally been. And I'm now going back to school again. Actually, I'm taking a fresh course from the same lady, Kate McShay, who's an 8-figure earner now. And I'll be sharing that value with you guys, because I think it's really important that we all update our skills, because video is used now in so many other ways. It's used as little thank you, so little short videos. Also, obviously, we have like this kind of thing, the Facebook Lives. That's another form of video. And, the content on Facebook, on YouTube, in emails, more and more and more people want to know how to do videos, and there's different types of videos. So there's little introduction videos, there's get to know you videos, there's instruction videos, there's webinars, like full presentations, an hour presentation. We all need to know these different ways to present videos, and then how to present videos effectively. For example, the first 7 seconds of a video are really important. And then, the other thing is, like how to properly conduct a Facebook Live. And so if you think it would be helpful, I'm actually going to break some of this down probably into three trainings that I'm going to do on videos and, up-to-date video skills. If you think that would be useful, please let me know. I don't want to just do it and just do it for my own sake. I can learn it for my own sake, but I'd be happy to do it for you guys if you think it would be useful. So if you'd like some additional training, kind of up-to-date video marketing skills, I'd be happy to present that for you over the course of the next week or so, and really to do it as a series. I am aware also that Elite Marketing Pro is going to be preparing a course. Again, Kate McShay, who my career was transformed by the training that she gave Grace and myself. We'll be going through that with her at some point. And that's going to be released in August, but August is a long ways from now. We're in March, right? So, I think we want to be on top of where the market is going. The market has already been going for years in the direction of video, but it's getting more and more that way, but now in more specialized ways. So it's not just a generic video, but there's different types of videos, and we need to be in tune with that. So be happy to do that. If you'd like that, just let us know. Give us a comment. Just put the word video below, or video please, or yes please, something like that. Just indicate that would be of interest to you, and we'll be glad to do that. Okay, guys, so the video update, I'm really up for it, really excited to be doing it. If you're interested, let me know and we'll prepare that for you, okay? All right, have a great Sunday. We'll talk to you during the week. Bye-bye.